Bifrost Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The crypto world moves fast, and Bifrost Wallet is designed to keep up. It promises seamless staking, cross-chain access, and powerful DeFi tools all in one place. But how well does it really perform? Let's take a balanced look at the pros and cons of the Bifrost Wallet app. Starting with the pros, Bifrost stands out for its multi-chain functionality. You can manage assets across multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Polkadot, and Avalanche, all from one dashboard. Most wallets limit you to a single network, but Bifrost bridges that gap beautifully. Another major plus is its staking system. Users can stake tokens and earn rewards without needing to lock assets for long periods. Bifrost's liquid staking feature lets you keep liquidity while still earning yield, something few wallets offer. Security-wise, the app uses non-custodial architecture, meaning you hold your own private keys. That gives you full control of your funds, no middlemen, no centralized risk. Its open source code also adds transparency, letting the community verify how it works. Now, the cons. Bifrost's interface, while powerful, can be intimidating for beginners. It's built for experienced crypto users who understand staking, bridging, and DeFi concepts. If you're new to crypto, the learning curve might be steep. Another issue is network support. While it handles major chains, some newer networks aren't yet available. That could limit access to certain tokens or dApps. And finally, customer support isn't as responsive as mainstream wallets, which can be frustrating if you run into technical issues. In summary, Bifrost Wallet is ideal for advanced users who want full control, flexible staking, and multi-chain access. But if you're just starting out and prefer simplicity, this might not be your best first wallet. Choose Bifrost if you want cutting-edge DeFi control in your pocket, but be ready to learn your way around its powerful features.